You see that grease nipple there? Well, that's how they come. That's how the Grizzly 700s come, the 2019s at least. See that grease nipple down there? Well, let me move the grass. How are you supposed to get a grease gun on that? And on that? That's pointed towards the axle. That's pointed towards the A-arm. What? You cannot get a grease gun straight onto that. Oh, there's no way I can show you this either. Look, I can't. Well, maybe you can if you fight it. The same with that one. Look, the length of that is longer than it is from that grease nipple to the axle. Yamaha, come on. I know you gotta save some money somewhere. But just like 4 of them, that's all you need. That's all you need. Now, after I'm done, you can simply click and grease and rand.